What would you say is the difference with the training specifically, the training system versus other methods you've tried?
You don't really have to think, you just have to follow and trust in the system, and that was the first thing I learned. But secondly, it's a level above what you think you can do. So it stretches you to, I mean, there's no way, I looked at the video, so there's no way I'm doing that. I got no chance. I mean, there's no way I'm doing a pull-up, let alone half the exercises in there.
Correct.
So it does stretch you, and then you're able to sort of get the advice real time as you go. So I'm sort of looking at your video, I'm doing the exercise, I'm getting the feedback, and then going, okay, I can see how the form changes my ability to do this without getting injured or being able to lift a lot heavier weight.
Spot on.